Hello everyone. Welcome all. Welcome to the virtual class. Class 1. Subject English and the topic is lesson number 5, My Best Friend. Yes, today we are going to start the next portion of English, that is lesson number 5, My Best Friend. Children, as we can see the title, it shows us this lesson is about best friend. This lesson is about best friends. So, shall we start, children? So, everyone, take out your English textbook. Now, you have to open page number 39. So, open page number 39. Warm up. A. Draw a picture of your best friend. Children, here you have to draw a picture of your best friend. Box has given. In that box, you have to draw the picture of your best friend. So this one is your PH. Now you have to do it. So do it, children. So shall we move forward? Work in pairs. So before start work in pairs, I would like to ask you some questions. So first one, do you have many friends or few? You have to give the answer orally. Yes. So as some of you have many friends, some of you have few friends. So you can give the answer. If you have many friends, you can give the answer that I have many friends. If you have few friends, so you can give the answer like I have few friends. Next one question is that would you like to make new friends? So if you like to make new friends, you have to give the answer yes. I like to make new friends. Yes. So now we will start work in pairs. Tell your partner about your best friend. Children, here you have to tell to your partner about your best friend. These questions you can ask to your parents. You can discuss with your parents also. Yes. So number 1, what is your best friend's name? Here you have to say the name of your best friend. So children, give the name of your best friend. Second one, why do you like him or her? Here you have to tell the reason that why do you like that friend? Why do you call he or she your best friend? So answer may be different. Yes, some of you like him or her because he or she take care of you. He or she share food, share chocolate, share things with you. He or she play with you. Yes, so answer is totally on depend on you. Yes, so hope you are getting, children. So shall we move forward? Reading. Read the story of a little girl which has a fun with her friend. Children, now you have to turn the page. We can see this on page number 40. Reading. Read the story of a little girl which has a fun with her friend. As this is a story is about best friend. Yes, as we have discussed at the starting. And in that story, as we can see, there is a little girl and she has a fun with her friend. So shall we start? Yes? Okay. See this picture? In that picture, we can see little girl. We can see little girl. Both are little girls. They are looking to each other. Yes? I have a friend. She lives in my house. Now, that little girl, she is saying that she has a friend, and that friend lives with her in her house. Yes, this lesson is about friendship. So, the girl which we can see in that lesson, little girl, she has a friend, and that friend, she lives with her. Yes, children? Next one picture, what you can see here? Now, both are, as we can see, smile is on their face. Both are playing, both are enjoying. Yes. When I am happy, so is she. Yes. Now, in that story, there is a girl and she has a friend, and that friend lives with her in her house. Now, when that girl she is happy, no, at that time her friend also happy. Yes. Now see, both are happy, as we can see smile on their face. So both are happy. Now see in this picture, now we can see that girl, she is crying. She is crying. Yes. When I cry, she cries too. Before this picture, we saw that when that little girl, she is happy, at that time her friend also happy. Now that girl, she is crying. So her friend also crying. Yes. So this is called friend. This is called best friend. When we became happy, at that time our friend also became happy. And when we sad, at that time our friend also became sad. Yes. Now try to read with me. Keep your finger on that line. But I cannot hear her voice. My friend lives inside the mirror. Come out. I tell her we will play. She does not come out. Children, here that little girl, she is saying that, but she cannot hear the voice of her best friend which lives in her own house. Yes, she cannot hear her best friend's voice. My best friend lives inside the mirror. See, here that little girl's friend. Where does she live? She lives inside the mirror. Come out, I tell her. We will play. Now, that little girl, she is calling that friend which lives inside the mirror. Come out, I tell her. Come out, we will play. But she does not come out. Yes, she is asking her friend which lives inside the mirror. Come out, we will play. But her friend, she does not come out. Getting? So, see in that picture, now she is looking in the mirror. Yes, now she is asking her friend, come out, we will play. But she does not come out. Yes. See here in that picture, what we can see here? That little girl, what she is doing here? I am not happy. I go to sleep. Obviously, when her friend will not come out from that mirror, that time she will get unhappy, no? So I am not happy. I go to sleep. Now she is calling to her best friend. Come out, we will play. But her friend, she is not coming from the mirror. So now that little girl, she became upset. She is not happy. So what she is doing now? So she go to sleep. That little girl, what she is doing, as we can see in the picture, she go to sleep. Now see in that picture again, both are what are doing they? They are playing. They have a fun. Yes. She comes out of the mirror when I am sleeping. We have a lot of fun. Now, as we have seen before this picture that her friend, she is not coming outside. Yes. So that little girl, she went to sleep. Now her friend, she comes out of the mirror when her friend, she is sleeping. We have a lot of fun. After sleeping her friend, she come and now they are playing. Now they have a fun. Yes. So hope you are getting, children. Now how they are playing and how they have a lot of fun, we will see next. So till take care, children. The next portion we are going to see in the next video. Thank you.